welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video. So today guys, we'll be unboxing the furniture that I got for this place. As I've said in my first video that I'm not gonna waste my time. I'm just gonna get everything that I feel I need to have in this place. So I did that. So everything now has been delivered. Obviously it was delivered on different days, but I just combined everything together so that it's one video. So yeah, please do smash that subscribe button, like the video, and also click that notification bell so that you don't miss any video when I post. And yeah, we can interact there also by the comment section. So yes, we will be unboxing everything that I got. So yeah, now the next thing will be me having to buy deco and everything. So there I said I might take a little bit of time because obviously these things, they are all beautiful and I've never decorated a place before, so I'm still going to look and ask, so yeah, I think that I might take time, but the most important things now I have, so I don't have to sit on my footstool. I got a couch, I'm watching TV. It's really, really nice, guys. So I really hope that you do enjoy this video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, eh? Let's get straight into the video. Guys, my TV is here together with my TV stand. Oh, otherwise, the TV brand name is Hisense. It's a 50-inch TV in centimeters. It's 126 centimeters. So yeah, otherwise, she's pretty. She's lovely. Okay, let me just show you that. That's my TV stand there. Oh my goodness, guys. Wow. She's so big. She's so big, like, I'm telling you. Okay, so I'm saying she's pretty because as much as Ali in the box and all that, I saw her in store. So remember, guys, when you're buying this kind of appliance, they have to open them in store to see if like it's still in good condition. Is it working? The screen, in case of the TV, it doesn't have cracks, like it's not broken and all those things. So I think that's the main aim, to see, so that customers don't come back and say, oh my gosh, you gave us a broken TV. Oh my gosh, there are scratches on the TV. So I think they're doing all that for that purpose. They make sure when they give you the TV, it's in good condition, and then you also confirm with them because they open it right in front of you before you take it home. So you guys, you see it together and then confirm with each other to say, yeah, it's in good condition. And then after that, they switch it on so that you see it's working. And then after that, they switch it off and then disconnect the cables, and then they put it back inside the box. So they also check, it also comes with some legs and a TV remote and a cable to connect it, so that after confirming, everything is put back in the box, and then they wrap it again for you, and then that's when you will leave the store. So that's why I'm saying she's pretty, guys. I saw her and I was just so happy. We're going to unbox this one together, guys. Okay. So let me go to the kitchen and get a knife because I'm so excited, guys. Like, I'm super, super excited. So I'm just gonna connect the legs and everything because I think I need to put it on my bed so that I can connect everything nicely. Yeah, it's not that big. So I'm thinking I should put it on my bed as I said and just connect the legs and then bring it to the stand. Okay, just a few seconds guys, not seconds, minutes. And there she is guys, there she is. There she is, right on the stand. So now guys, you're even having a clear display of the stand. See, I was telling you that she's pretty, and she is, you can see. She's very, very pretty. Hmm? I'm just gonna switch it on and then see what is it that I have to do. Obviously, I think there will be instructions on the screen and then I'll be using the remote to just do everything that needs to be done. I'm just gonna be now waiting for my couch. I don't know when it's gonna come, but I just hope it comes when I'm off because guys, I also ordered it from Game, so yeah, the TV I got it from OK Furniture. So yeah, and
so when my couch was delivered, I was actually at work, so I had to run during my lunch hour so that I sign and receive the couch. So yeah, they are unboxing it for me there, guys.
so guys, I got this lovely lady here by Mr. Price Home. I think you can see, yeah, there. I got her from Mr. Price Home, and yeah, that's that. I hope we're going to love each other. So let's unbox her together. Window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. I'm gonna connect her off camera, guys, and I'll show you everything after. Hi, Bo. You watched until this far and you haven't subscribed. Hi. Subscribe. What are you waiting for? I'm so excited. So now, at least. So the brand is Defy. Now we can close. guys for watching this video till this far. I really appreciate that. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah. Hi boo. You watched until this far and you haven't subscribed. Hi. Subscribe. Hi boo. What are you waiting for?